prepared for this. Tripping in the book of the danger is. Everybody suckling his culture beats. Negative, negatives. Everybody waiting for the fall of man. Everybody praying for the end of times. Everybody hoping to be the one. Not born the one, not born the wind. Run me like a racehorse, pull me like a ripcord. Take me down and build me up. I wanna be the slip, word upon your lip. Take me down and build me up, whatever it takes. 'Cause I love the adrenaline in my veins. I do whatever it takes. 'Cause I love how it feels when I praise and change. Whatever it takes.
That I welcome you all to NU Clark University Meet 2025.
Week in our life, UWIC edition! Welcome to RUG UWIC, Laro Laban Lahi, where we go beyond the cheers, beyond the games, and now we ask you, RUG!
Bakit ito ang mga napili niyong pagkain at anong kwento o kultura ang dala nito?
I am Christian Joshua L. Lerit from ABM, so Accountancy Business and Management. And regarding the question of why these are the products that we utilize, for the most part, this idea was stemmed from the idea of the previous sari-sari store of the SBDC, which had success. So as an ABM student, of course, we're going to utilize the most successful products in order to create profit. In addition to this, the regular offerings of the sari-sari store goods also combined with the partnership with Los Favoritos Hermanos, a entrepreneurship group which was released last year during our entrepreneurship in ABM. A product which has a burrito which has a filling of adobo and caldereta, which allows us to be able to experience new things in a more essentially what we refer to as a new experience wrapped in a new context. It is a burrito filled with adobo and caldereta.
what inspired you to choose that specific political song for UWIC?
Hello, good morning. My name is Nicola Rebelio. I am a first year AB Pol Sci student.
And my name is Aisha Lisgail Florendo from BA Communication, first year, and from SAYAS.
Well, for picking that song specifically, we wanted to embody how politically inclined the Philippines is. And of course, as the School of Education, Arts and Sciences, of course, coming myself from AB Political Science, Rosa stands as a song that embodies how the Filipinos should encourage kindness and of course, wise voting.
For me naman, yung sa pagpili ng kanta na Rosas, we picked that song since we want to portray a specific, like, yung kung anong pinaglalaban namin, and as well as gusto rin namin na hindi lang siya yung basta kakantahin lang namin. Gusto rin namin yung makaka-relate yung lahat, and as well as para ma-enlighten din sila sa current status ng ano natin, diba? So
sa kalayunan at kalunsuran, isulong ang kilusang bayan.
Or social message were you hoping that audience will take away from your performance?
Well, actually, to be honest, upon decisioning on kung anong concept po pipiliin namin, at first, binalaan po kami ng mga higher ups po namin. Since, yun nga po, nasa public, considered pa rin po public place po kasi yung mall na to. And then, considering na makaleni po yung concept po namin, nag-aalangan po yung higher ups po namin. And then, syempre, our leader, our two leaders actually, they decided to go for it. To take the risk. Kahit na may chance po kaming ma-red tag. And then, ayun po, ang ano po talaga namin, ang in-expect po namin na makuha pong message ng mga audience po namin is to get their minds open actually. Like, gusto naming mawala yung pagiging ignorante nila sa kung ano talaga yung tama. Tsaka as a student, dapat, habang maaga pa lang po, dapat, like, they should know better na. Marunong na sila tumanggap kung ano yung tama at tsaka mali. Yan po.
Educational.
Supportive. Amazing. Hungry. Sportsmanship. Respect.
RUG, Laro, Laban, Lahi. A UNIWIC lived through the energy of play, the spirit of pride, and the power of voice. We didn't just watch UNIWIC, we lived it, we felt it, and we shared it.
Every cheer tells a story. Every game speaks of culture. May kwento, may puso, may paninindigan.
So we ask you one last time,
RUG!